Hello guys, this is my fourth vlog. My snacks is apple and orange, and I have banana. Then let's try the apple and banana and orange. So good. And it's yummy, guys. And let's try the orange.
Don't get there.
So yummy.
Yeah.
And I will eat the banana. Let's try. Yummy. And this is the best fruit and healthy. This is my favorite, and you not eat candy. Okay, bye-bye.